Hi everybody, my name is Nadia, and I just want you to imagine strolling on a beautiful beach and spotting tiny bits of plastic mixed in with the sand. This is becoming a real common sight as microplastics are invading our oceans and harming marine life. Today, I just want to discuss how microplastics affect ocean ecosystems. These small plastic pieces, less than 5 milliliters in size, pose serious risks to sea creatures and eventually to us. In this speech, I'll explain how microplastics enter the ocean, how they harm marine life, and what we can do to make it a difference. So, my first point that I want to talk about is how microplastics actually get into our oceans. The number one reason is that larger plastics actually break down into smaller pieces of plastics with the sun or the weather. So if people leave trash when they go to the beach in plastic, when it gets broken down into small pieces, people that do beach cleanups might not be able to see it, therefore it getting mixed into the sand and eventually getting into our oceans. Another reason is that there are non-degradable little microbeads that are made out of plastic that are in a lot of our beauty products and personal care products that can go into the drain of our sink and later go into the ocean. Another reason is there is a lack of waste management. So on the streets, when there is trash and plastic and then it rains, all of that goes into the sewer and into our oceans. My second main point that I wanted to talk about is the effects on marine life. So all types of marine animals, from small tiny plankton to larger fish, all consume these microplastics. And these particles can really cause physical harm, and they carry really toxic chemicals that are not supposed to be inside of the little fish's body. This can disrupt food chains and lead to a loss of species and biodiversity in our marine life. My third main point that I want to talk about is the impact on humans and some solutions that I would suggest. So, microplastics enter our food and also impact our health because of it. Because we eat the fish in the sea, it impacts our health. There has been ongoing research to explore the extent of this problem, but I feel like there needs to be a lot more research and it has to be talked about a lot more. We can reduce as a whole, reduce our plastic use and improve waste management to help. So in conclusion, the impact of microplastics on marine life is a real issue that affects our environment and health. We've discussed where microplastics come from and how they harm sea creatures and what this means for us. Seeing polluted beaches should remind us of the need to protect our oceans. By making simple changes to reduce plastic waste, we can help keep our oceans healthy for future generations. Let's take action to care for our planet. Thank you.